Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on patents, part 2, not patentable inventions. So in lecture 1, part 1, we have discussed what is patent and what are the criteria for the patentability, that is novelty, non-obviousness and industrial application. We also discussed what is invention and what is inventive step as per Patents Act 1970 India. So if you have not watched that lecture, then you can watch it using the link given in the description. So let us begin with the part 2 of this lecture on patents, that is not patentable inventions as per Patents Act 1970. This is Indian Patent Act 1970. Section 3 and Section 4 of this act gives which inventions cannot be patented in India. So before beginning, what are the learning outcomes of this lecture? So you will be able to identify the inventions which are not patentable in India. So let us begin with the inventions which are not patentable in India. As per the definition or as per the patentability criteria, if novelty is there, non-obviousness is there and industrial application is there, then any invention can be patented. But there are certain exceptions for India. Indian Patent Act 1970. So what are these exceptions that we are going to discuss? And first of all, we should understand that why this kind of exceptions are given. So it seems that by these sections, section 3 and section 4, it is tried to make a balance to reserve the rights of inventor as well as public welfare. So as we will go on discussing what are these sections, you will come to know that why this kind of exceptions are there. Ultimately, it will be in a benefit of people of India. So let us begin with section 3A. So in section 3, there will be A to P. A to P, some sections are omitted, so I will not discuss that subsections which are omitted, but let us begin with the section 3A. Now, which invention cannot be patented? So, the invention which is frivolous or which claims anything obviously contrary to well-established natural laws. So anything which is opposing or contrary to the natural laws, that cannot be patented. For example, a perpetual motion machine. Now what is this machine? This machine claims that it can do work infinitely without an energy source. Now we have studied the law of thermodynamics. So as per the thermodynamics, to carry out any work, energy is required. So it is, as per the laws, it is impossible to carry out work without energy. So if someone claims that a perpetual motion machine is invented and that works without energy, then it cannot be patented as it is contrary to natural laws. Section 3B. What is what cannot be patented? What cannot be patented as per section 3B? The invention, the primary or intended use or commercial exploitation of which could be contrary to public order or morality, or which causes serious prejudice to human, animal, plant life or health, or to the environment. So anything which is contrary to public order, that can cause or which can cause commercial exploitation, or anything which can cause serious harm to anything like animal, plant or environment, then it cannot be patented. Let's see an example. Any device or apparatus or machine or method for committing theft. So this thing is contrary to public order. It against the morality. So such kind of device or methods or machines cannot be patented. The machine or method counterfeiting of currency notes. If someone claims that he or she has developed the machine which makes the fake currency notes, then it cannot be patented. It can cause commercial exploitation and it is against the public order. An invention which will help the person to do the effective adulteration, which cannot be detected by any of scientific process. If someone develops the method for adulteration of food or medicine and he or she claims that this adulteration cannot be detected by any scientific method. It can be developed by him or her, but it's against morality, it's against public order, so that cannot be patented. Similarly, the oncomouse. What is an oncomouse? Oncomouse is genetically modified and that develops cancer for the purpose of medical research. Okay, that was developed for medical research, but again it causes cancer. It causes cancer. It is used to develop the cancer. So that is why it cannot be patented. Next section. The mere discovery of scientific principle or the formulation of an abstract theory or discovery of any living thing or non-living substance occurring in nature. Now here we need to understand what is difference between discovery and invention. Now discovery is where the individual explores something already existing in nature. Means the thing was already there in nature, but someone is finding it out or exploring the thing. So that is known as discovery. That is known as discovery. But what is invention? As per the definition, it must have inventive step through which there will be advancement of science and technology. So just discovery of anything cannot be patented. For example, if someone discovers the new element, in a periodic table there are number of elements, person can give name according to him, but that cannot be patented. Discovery of planet, that cannot also be patented. So I hope it is clear what is discovery and what is invention. Discovery cannot be patented. Next, mere discovery of new form of known substance which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficacy of the substance. Or, now before moving to the next part of this section, let me tell you that this section is very important from pharmaceutical industry point of view. This section is very important from pharmaceutical industry point of view because in pharmaceuticals many medicines are manufactured, they may be invented, but what happens if any industry tries to evergreen any medicine or any compound, then it may go against the public order. Say for example, X company develops one drug for cancer, let it be cancer. Now, the patent may be granted for 20 years. Again, after 20 years, the company claims that they have discovered new form or new use of the compound. Then again, the same company can be granted patent. This section tries to avoid evergreening of that compound. So if this section would not be there, then any compound can get patent up to 80 years also. So here it was tried to make a balance between inventor and public order. So what cannot be patented? It's very interesting to know that what cannot be patented: mere discovery of a new form of a known substance which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficacy of that substance. That means if new form is there, but it must result in enhancement of efficacy. May discovery of new property or new use or the known substance. If someone discovers new property or new use, or of the mere use of known process, machine or apparatus, unless such known process results in a new product or employs at least one new reactant. At least one new reactant. We are going to take example. For example, aspirin. So aspirin is already known as NSAIDs, means a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So it can be used for inflammation. There is a use of aspirin in some heart diseases. In some heart diseases, aspirin can be used. So aspirin is the same drug, same compound, but new use is found, so that cannot be patented. That cannot be patented. Let's go in a more detail about what cannot be patented. For example, if already known compound is there with the known efficacy, then its salt, esters, ethers, any polymorphs, its metabolites, its pure form, means extra pure form, or in other word, crystalline form. It's having a different particle size, isomers, mixture of isomers, complexes, combinations, and other derivatives of that known substance shall be considered to be the same substance. This all can be considered to be the same substance unless they differ significantly in properties with regard to efficacy. For example, we know that halogens, chloro, bromo, fluoro, iodo, that halo derivatives, they have similar properties. So if someone replaces chlorine by bromine or by iodine, so that cannot be considered as a different compound or a different form of the medicine or different form of the drug. It will be considered as a same compound unless it cause or unless there is significant difference in efficacy. Now, what is efficacy? Efficacy describes the maximum response that can be achieved with a drug. So if this response, maximum response increases, which was earlier there, and now with the new form, if efficacy increases, then and then it can be patented, otherwise it cannot be patented. So this section is very important from pharmaceutical industry point of view. By studying this section, now you know that how difficult to get patent in India in pharmaceuticals. It's very difficult. Next section, substance obtained by mere admixture, resulting only in aggregation of the properties of the components thereof, or a process for producing such substance. Means mixing of two properties, but there is no enhancement in any property. then it cannot be patented. For example, paracetamol is antipyretic, that can be used in a fever. Ibuprofen is analgesic, so that reduces pain. So if both are mixed, paracetamol and ibuprofen are mixed, so that can be used to treat fever and to treat the pain, both together. But if no enhancement is there in a properties or in a efficacy, then it cannot be patented. So this mixture, just mixture, admixture cannot be patented. Next section, mere arrangement or rearrangement or duplication of known devices, each functioning independently of one another in a known way. Means just arrangement, rearrangement, but the devices are working differently. Say for example, bucket fitted with a torch. Bucket is working differently, torch is working differently, and you are just arranging them together, then it cannot be patented. Another example is an umbrella with fan. Umbrella has a different purpose, it functions differently. Fan has a different purpose and it works differently. And if both are put together, then that thing is just a rearrangement or arrangement of known devices in a different way. So that cannot be patented. A method of agriculture or horticulture cannot be patented. For example, cultivation of algae, producing a new form of a known plant, or preparation of an improved soil cannot be patented. But agriculture devices can be patented. Another section is any process for medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic, diagnostic, therapeutic, or other treatment of human beings, or any processes for a similar treatment of animals to render them free of diseases or to increase their economic value or that of their products. Now what does it mean? What does it mean? Means here this is related to the medical field, surgical field. Method of surgery cannot be patented. Method of diagnosis cannot be patented. Say for example, diagnostic method for COVID-19 cannot be patented. Diagnostic kit can be patented. Diagnostic kit can be patented if it fulfills all the criteria of patentability, then it can be patented. But how to do diagnosis cannot be patented. Method of performing heart surgery cannot be patented. You can understand how everything is going in a benefit of public order. Plants and animals cannot be patented in whole or any part thereof, or other than microorganisms, but including seeds, varieties and species, and essentially biological processes for production and propagation of plants and animals. So in simple words, plants or animals except genetically modified organisms cannot be patented. For example, clones and new varieties of plants cannot be patented. A mathematical or business method or a computer programs or algorithms cannot be patented. Means software alone or the computer program alone cannot be patented, but hardware and software together can be patented. A literary, dramatic, musical or artistic work or any other aesthetic creation whatsoever, including cinematographic works and television productions, cannot be patented. So that means they should not be, this kind of works should not be protected by intellectual property rights. Yes, they are protected by intellectual property rights, but not by patents for them, they come under the category of copyrights. So copyrights can be given for such works. Mere scheme or rule or method of performing mental act or method of playing game. For example, method of solving a crossword puzzle cannot be patented. Method of learning a language cannot be patented. Method of playing a game. For example, in a cricket, if some cricketer is playing a helicopter shot or some cover drive, so that kind of method cannot be patented. Anyone can perform it. A presentation of information, any manner or method of expressing information, whether by spoken words, visual display, symbols, diagrams, information recorded on a carrier, cannot be patented. So anything, any presentation of information cannot be patented. Topography of integrated circuits, IC, which we call it as an IC. ICs or that topography cannot be patented. Invention, which is in effect, is a traditional knowledge, or which is in aggregation or duplication of known properties of traditionally known component or components. What is this? Let us understand with the example. Knowledge which is already there in a public domain. For example, wound healing property of turmeric, haldi, which is traditionally known. In Indian culture, we know that turmeric is used for the wound healing properties. It has the anti-inflammatory properties. So this is traditional knowledge. So turmeric cannot be patented. Although any chemical constituent which is isolated or extracted from this kind of plants and having a novelty, non-obviousness and industrial application, then it can be patented. But the haldi itself or a neem itself cannot be patented as it is traditional knowledge. Now next section, section 4. What it says, inventions relating to atomic energy cannot be patented. So any inventions relating to the compounds of the elements which are used in atomic energy, like uranium, beryllium, thorium, radium, lithium, and this list can be notified by central government time to time, that cannot be patented. So till now we have studied section 3 and section 4 of Indian Patent Act 1970, and you understood that this many things cannot be patented. So someone who wants to apply for the patenting for the patent in India, he or she must know that this kind of things cannot be patented in India. And it is clear that this was just a balance, these sections were to balance between inventor's right and public order. Next time we will discuss more interesting topics related to patents. If you have any doubts, you can contact me on given addresses. Thank you.